Wait, I want the dashboard. Okay. Just turn that off.
Get the squeaks into the stream. Ready to go. Ready to go. We got a drink. We got Unreal Engine. You know, the Unreal Engine tag has been taken off Twitch. What's up with that? That was helpful to classify my stream as Unreal Engine. So I think this is the one that we're meant to be using. Like, I think this is the helpful one, and the other one is the simple one that was used for time constraints, I think, in the It's really weird how inactive. There we go. There's one dude. Hello? Hello? Oh, hello. Oh, it was moving to me. Right. Sensed, moving, and it got to me. You're getting there. So the babies, we got idling, but we have not yet they don't seem to be as eager to follow anymore. They're trying, I think. We saw some effort, maybe. Who knows? The ghosts are super eager. The ghosts are turbo eager to follow me. BTBM baby AI perception baby perception. That seems fine to me. Okay. What do we have for okay. Is following bool key name. Blackboard target. It's ghost interaction key name, okay. Target actor key name. That should all be fine. So the top row is set out exactly the same except for this. Shouldn't make a difference really. Target perception, updated AI perception. Set and sense actor. Go to the behavior tree for the ghost. We're not even using the line of sight bool. So that's fine. It's just target actor is set, move to target actor, and then clear. What's the acceptable radius? 10. Okay. I'm sure that won't make any difference, so we'll do it anyway. See? You can like smack right into them and they don't even see you. It's fine, that's okay. I'll take his following event graph. It's actor branch. Actor has tag player. Yep. Successfully sensed. Ooh. Is it the other way around for the ghost? Nope. No, it is not. True, successfully sensed. True, clear, invalidate, time by handle. Whatever. Update line of sight ball. Update target actor ball. Sensed actor. Sensed actor. You know what? Just so everything's crispy clean. And a new one of those. That should work frickin' perfectly. Hello. Hello, baby. Baby, perceive me. Baby, perceive me. Baby, perceive. God damn it. No, I want to simulate. I want to simulate. Go, go, go. Yeah, we've got AI boys. Can I just fly around here? Yes. We've got perception. Hello? 4 on the numpad for perception. Perception. Nav mesh. I don't really need the nav mesh. P. Is it just me or is this like not? Okay, AI is showing. Perception is not showing up for some reason. Weird. That is weird. To behavior tree. Maybe if I click on one of them. Oh yeah, no, we got perception. Oh yeah, we got perception. That is so weird. That is so weird. I just want to reset the camera. Sorry. You know what I'm gonna do? Weird, but how about we set them to use the same AI as the ghosts? Okay, so it's nothing wrong with the baby. It's nothing wrong with the player model. It's something wrong with either the AI or the behavior tree. Yeah, AI baby here. Viewport. Brain. Absolute brain. No, I don't want BPBM baby. No AIBM ghosty. I want AIBM baby. BTBM baby has a ghosty interaction. Okay, it is as written. There's only one RN interaction. Don't get played by my do I have BPBM baby? AI BM baby. We have solved the brain. I think, I hope, maybe we've solved the brain. Oh yeah. Look at these boys yeet. Now, can we get a ghost to maybe... Oh, no. Can we get a... Oh. Can we get a ghost to... Oh, right, okay. That's not really the intended purpose of them. They're only meant to, they're meant to stop following me when they get hit by a ghost. They're not meant to stop moving when they get hit by a ghost when they're not following me. If you catch my understanding. Right, that's good. That's progress. We have reversed our unprogress. Let's just put that right in the corner, where we can just see what the babies are thinking about. We can see if they are stopped by a ghost. We can see if they're following my lad. See, he's following now, and he's been taken. That guy's idling. Okay. See, when they're idling, they don't interact with the ghosts. But if they die while they're following me, if I die while they're following me, he's... that's a problem. They're not moving because... oh, that's wrong. Okay. That can't happen. Okay, so... if the player dies... they, where are all the babies? Yo, where are all the babies? Okay, it's a step in the right direction. So, I guess we do need a lost site. I guess we do need a lost site timer. You have to make this a little bit bigger. Whoa, big slam, huge slam. Needs to go in ideally in between this, which doesn't work apparently, and huge slams. What the hell? So I think this needs a... oh yeah, right, okay. So I have the baby find a random location in radius 0 and then move there for 5 seconds. This aborts lower priority. This aborts both. Okay. So you're gonna have to go back to our ghost AI, steal that code again because we deleted it. If you remember last time, because we didn't think it was necessary. I'm just gonna drag that one off to the side window, the side window here, because y'all don't need to see that, but I do. Good. Yeah. That should. So now when we die, it'll quote unquote lose sight of us. Takes a tenth of a second. And then it will cool. So it'll lose sight of us, and then it will forget about us. It'll stop following us. Hopefully. Finger crossed. So we'll check out the behavior tree on screen first, and then we'll realize that it doesn't actually work. Oh, snap. I'm going to have to disable that fucking thing to test this on. So now he shouldn't run to us when we've respawned, and give him a couple of seconds. Yeah, see? Perfect. Absolutely fantastic, my friends. We are absolutely plowing through this. Who says making video games is hard? Did I say that? I didn't say that. It's wrong. Making video games playing video games is hard. You should round of applause for all those hardcore gamers out there. Woo! Sorry, was that too far? Am I being an asshole now? I play games. This is the venture, man. This is the venture. Now I want the BT BM baby on my screen, because I don't think it's doing the whole getting smacked by ghosts thing correctly. In fact, no. Before I do that, I just 0030. Active hidden gate. Yeah, fuck you. Play. Wait, what? But it's still there. It still works. Oh. The hell? I think the only way we're gonna have that happen is if we delete them. So we need a ghost to hit one of these babies, basically. Oh, did they? Oh, they did it! They're doing it, dude. Check that out. They work perfectly. Miraculous. Holy flip. What the actual shiznuts. That's beautiful. And to think, I was stressing out about doing this stream for days. Like, I thought it was going to be way more difficult than, oh, you forgot to rename a variable. Well done. Well done. Well done. And it's like, I almost kind of just want to stop now. Because I like the other things that I have to do on this are like not related to the AI. The AI, as far as I'm concerned right now, that's fairly done. Now, things I still haven't asked anyone on the Unreal Discord about anything, which is bad. I should probably bug them. So, what did I just drag off my screen? Oh, I don't need this anymore. Save current. Hell yeah. It's good. I like it. I like it. Yeah, I like it a lot. So the things that we have to do, quote unquote, have to do. Not have to do anything really. We just chill out. But things I have as you know, tasks. Remove the buildings, because they aren't actually buildings. These are floors, and for some reason, the 3D objects that you are given in Unreal are not brushes in the sense that I'm used to working with 3D world modeling, and I haven't really taken any time to look at any tutorials on how to do 3D world model. Is this not? How do I move you? Where's the widget? You kidding me? Oh no, it's Z fighting right there, right? Yeah, it's on the cusp. Yeah, so we're using some invisible walls to map out the play area. So the first thing, quote unquote first thing, that we have to do is make these not into floors, into blocks, so they're a little bit easier to work with, and then replace them actually entirely wholesale with like an environment, so it looks cool, you know. We've got that to do. We've got the UI to update because I'm using DrawHUD, and DrawHUD is like not good, and we should be using what's it called? Slate? Datasmith. Editor utilities. Editor utility widget. Editor utility blueprint. Blendables. Light propagation volume blendable material instance blueprints. Datasmith. I can't remember. There's two different ways of laying out HUD. See, we've got BPBM HUD. We got BM Font 01 Cargo Bay, which is the font Cargo Bay, available on 1001freefonts.co.nz or wherever you get your 1001 free fonts from. Yeah, I can't remember how they did it, but there was annoyingly the one tutorial that doesn't quote unquote actually work anymore, quote unquote. I don't know what I was doing. I followed it to the letter and it didn't work. The infinite runner, the endless runner that was built in Unreal Engine 4.1.7, I think 4.17, not 0.1. It's a very helpful tutorial, or it was a very helpful tutorial, and there's a lot of good stuff still in that, like random location spawning within a volume and stuff like that, which is always handy. But he also has a segment on creating a UI, using UI widgets. I honestly do not remember how he did it, but he was not using the BPBM HUD. He was not using a HUD blueprint. He was using HUD widget stuff, which is different to HUD blueprints. Anyway, that's that, and then the other things that we've got to do: 3D models for the ghosts and the player and the babu. And we should probably write just a regular little script. Replace the. Can I comment stuff in this? Can I? I can. Replace me with custom stoof. So ideally, we'd want the baby sequence. Stop and cry. Follow idle. There we go. So ideally, so in the original game, when the baby encountered a ghost, they would stop what they were doing and they would sit down and they would cry. So right now we've got it finding a location where it is, where it contacts the ghost, moving to that location, which obviously automatically win, and then waiting for 5 seconds. So they just sit for 5 seconds, and that interrupts both of the things downstream. So so even if they're following, they will stop following, and we saw that. It was great. and I honestly I'm a little bit stuck at the fact that we solved that so quickly. And shit, I might just go play Destiny. Fuck. Bad program. The ghosts, they're a lot more simple. These guys just follow you and then stop following you if you run out of the radius, which is good. So yeah, new HUD would be good. Oh, there's a thing. That when you kill ghosts, they drop coins, right? So we could maybe like quick blooper for a coin. I don't think it's worth my time. A 40-minute stream. I think we're good. The AI is sorted to my liking at the moment. That Z fighting is really gonna strain. I'm gonna delete these cubes actually. You know, just so you know, we're all clear on what's going down. It's gonna look a little bit worse for a couple of episodes maybe, and then it will start to look a bit like, what is this volume? And it is this volume, and why is it? Is that on or is that off? This is the point where I'd like a grid view. Is this too high, in fact? Is this actually floating above? It is by 1 pixel. Should probably have this sunk into the ground a little bit, really, ideally. Should probably sink all of them into the ground. A little bit. I think that is still actually not touching this. Not that it would matter. One minuscule pixel. Please, just one. Oh my god, nothing is the right size. I hate this editor. Take me back to source. Oh my days. And this is nowhere near or so good it's untrue. It is. It's actually pretty close. It's nowhere near as far off as I thought it was. I thought it was the spawn volume there, and then we just gotta. I know someone's gonna mention that there's 2D views that I could do this more accurately in. I don't think that's actually touching. Should we bring them in from touching like a little bit? So there's like a boofer. There we go. Because this is the thing, Unreal doesn't. Sorry, welcome to the Math Noise stream. It doesn't seem to really care about traditional binary space partitioning. You can do all sorts of weird open spaces that won't crash your PC because it doesn't deal in source style visleafing, which means you can have holes in walls and skyboxes. Maybe not in skyboxes, but in walls, and your skyboxes don't have to encompass them because it uses you know, the stuff. It uses the stuff. It uses the magic sprinkles. It's good enough. I don't really care. Like it's one of those things where it doesn't really matter if it's perfect, as long as it's you know, as long as you're not going to escape the level, it's fine. Now this should mean that even though we have skybox now surrounding our game, hello, you collided with that ghost, and I demand that you start cry. You start cry. Noob, go start cry. Oh, for God's sake. And why doesn't it always spawn enough baby? Like, I'm down to 2 babies now, what the hell? And also we didn't rebuild the lighting, so there's still the shadow of the building there, which is unnerving. So did I say we were going to put blocks in here? Seems like a waste of time to put blocks in if we're just going to put other blocks in that are different shapes. But you know what I mean? Yeah, but do you know what I mean? Ooh, that's not the button that I wanted to use, I think. Oh, it is, but not in that way. Okay. We've got grid snapping set to 1, haven't we? What? It's the Unreal Engine. This is why everyone hates you. This, what the fuck is this? So yeah, okay. I'm just gonna rant for a couple of minutes before I quit. But I am done today. I mean, didn't even really. I mean, I did plan to squeeze this stream in sometime, but you know what I'm saying. You don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, I want to rant about Unreal Engine's UV UX stuff for a few seconds before I go off because I hate it. It's stupid. Do you know how hard it is to get like a universally scaling texture where you can set the texture size across the 3D thing? And like, maybe I'm using Unreal Engine wrong, but like the way that you are funneled into using this is like you go over here and it's like geometry. Right, okay. Box, cone, cylinder, curve, stair, linear stair, spiral, stair, and sphere. You see these right? These are what I should be using, aren't they? These are 3D items, right? These are basics. Plane, cone, cylinder, sphere, cube, box, trigger. Geometry are brushes, right? So if I drag this in, we get a brush. Oh, dude, hang on, wait, hang on. Immersive mode, no. Create camera, no. High resolution screenshot. Ooh. No, I wanted window, viewports. No. Yay! Can I? I don't know what I just did there. I'll marquee select. Okay. No. So you can't just grab these. So it has handles, but you can't just grab them. It does just still scale like this. So stupid. Get out of here, viewport 2. This guy. That is just. Oh, hey. Nope. No. Okay, that is a weird tumbly cam. Don't need that. So why does it have helpers if I can't use the helpers? It says select and scale. But yeah, box brush. So okay, so you can't use the handles, which I wish you could have done. Let's just delete that. And you have to create a mesh out of it, so maybe that isn't what I was looking for. But yeah, just know that making levels, making 3-dimensional geometry is much easier in Source than it is. Anyway, that's it from me. Peace out. If anyone knows where the Unreal Engine category tag went, I don't really want to stream this under science and technology. Because this isn't really science or technology, let's be real. Let me know. Hit me up. Send me a DM. Not that I'll ever see it, because you can't check them on the phone, and they don't really pop up for me on the desktop, on the web browser. But anyway, that's me signing off. Thank you for tuning into the live video. If you're tuning into the live video, thank you for watching the video on demand. If you tune in for the video on demand, and as always, I will see you in the next episode.